Hello friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier, and in my this particular video I am going to show you how you can apply the concept of binary image processing in real-time image processing. Okay, so whatever image we capture using our mobile phone or camera or webcam, those are having red channel, green channel and blue channel separately. Okay, now you might think that why we are giving so much time in binary image processing, because we cannot have binary image directly, right? But the concept of binary image processing we can apply in RGB image also, with obviously some modification. That kind of application I am going to show you. But before watching this code and application and explanation, I will request you to check my previous video where I have explained how to detect center of circle present in an image. Okay, because that concept is required in understanding this particular video. Okay, so in my previous video I have shown you how you can detect center of circles using MATLAB. Okay, now let's try to take real-time image continuously, kind of it will look like video, okay, using our computer camera, and try to detect the centers. Okay, so CLC clear all closure warning off and pause 10 I am giving, so that in between the next execution, that is of this particular part execution, there is some pause. Okay, processor will stop for some moment, 10 seconds, and then I am opening my camera, computer camera, C equal to webcam. If you have this package, well and good, but if you run your code without having this package, then you will be getting error. So I will request you first install that and then use. Okay, then while true, that means the condition will always satisfy, it will go infinite times. Okay, while true, obviously it will be true always, right? And here end, this while loop ends. Okay, in between that what we have done, first of all we have taken the image E equal to C dot snapshot. Okay, then I have made one hand-drawn circles image. Okay, that I'll be showing when I will run this code. Now my aim is to get this centroid, to find out the centroid. So what I will do, first of all I will calculate convert the RGB image to grayscale. Then my circles are dark color than background. So as a result, generally morphological operation, what we do, bright object in the dark background. So I will take binary image, but I will complement that. Okay, and here I am not specifying the threshold for binary image processing, that is conversion of grayscale to binary, because as I have told you, my background image is completely white and objects are dark. Global thresholding will perfectly work. Okay, but these two modifications you must do. This comes under pre-processing step, you can say. IM fill mg comma holes, whatever after converting to binary image, whatever holes will appear in those circles, that should be filled, and some extra parts will also there is a possibility of detection. Now I have told you how you can use area opening, the code without using inbuilt function I have shown in my previous video. So now here I am using BW area open directly present in MATLAB for area opening. Okay, that is it will remove all these pixels which are here less than 100, which are having total number of pixels less than 100. It will remove those objects. Okay, then I am labeling that, and this particular part, this whole up to this part, whatever I am selecting, this is nothing but taken from our previous video where I have shown you how to detect center of circles. What I have done, in simple words, let me just summarize. First of all, for each label, how many pixels are present, that I am calculating. Okay, then I am sorting that according to number of pixels for each label. Then I am taking, previously in my previous video I have taken maximum 4 of them. Now I am taking maximum 2 of them, because in my image you will see that 2 circles are present. I have drawn like that, and then I am finding the centers. Okay, and that center location we are plotting. But while plotting, I have already told you, keep this in mind, first put y coordinate then x coordinate, because this is image axis, not our normal Cartesian coordinate system. Okay, and first I am showing the image, then hold on, then plotting the center coordinates. Draw now for animation purpose clear figure so that it will go to next. Okay, now same, no need to worry about a single line of code will be posted in the comment section. Okay, so that problem also solved. Now it's time for visualization, whether our code is working or not. Select the whole using Ctrl A and click on evaluate selection. Okay, and let's see the beauty. It will take some time because I have given one pause. Okay, now let's see the output, whether we are getting that or not. See, here I have drawn two circles which is perfectly detected. If I move my image, that time also it is beautifully detecting the two center of the circles. Okay, see, I am moving that. So this is kind of real-time project, you can say, and application of binary image processing in color image. Okay, practical real-time implementation of the concept whatever I have discussed in my previous video. So this is all for my this video. Thank you for watching.